One thing that I love about the kinesiology department is right away from your first semester as a freshman, they really care that you're making connections with other students. So we have a learning community in kinesiology that you take your first semester freshman year and you're placed into a small group with students who are kinesiology majors like you, and you work with that small group throughout the semester. I still have connections from that group that I was in freshman year, and so I just think it's a great way to start students off on the right foot. My professional experience is more focused on getting direct patient care experience. So right now I work for Mary Greeley as a patient care tech on the nursing support team, so I get to go to different units of the hospital depending on where they need help that day and help out on all the different units, which is really, really cool. I've also worked for ChildServe, getting to work with kids on skill development. I would say those have been the most impactful professional experiences that I've had and are really going to help me along the way while applying to physician assistant school and then in the future as a physician assistant. The Pre-Physician Assistant Club has been a really great resource. I really love being a part of that club. It's a great place to network and learn more and kind of learn from other people's experiences. Nurse practitioners and physician assistants, those advanced practice providers, they're kind of the backbone of healthcare in those small rural communities. I want to have an impact in serving some underrepresented communities. Working in rural Iowa, you'll get so many opportunities to really make a difference. My experience has been incredible. I would not wish anything could change. I'm so happy I'm at Iowa State. I just think, wow, I'm so lucky that I've been a part of the kinesiology department and got to meet so many staff and faculty who are really interested in who I am as a person and seeing me succeed and really want to help me along my path.